Welcome to this demonstration on how to display a bill of materials, commonly known as a BOM in SAP. In this session, you'll learn how to navigate to the BOM display screen, select the correct organizational context, and analyze the components that make up a finished product. The BOM is the foundational element in production planning and material management. It outlines all raw materials, parts, or assemblies required to manufacture a finished product, providing structure and clarity across procurement, planning, and manufacturing teams. Now, let's consider how a company like Pepsi uses BOMs to manage its global production processes. Imagine a Pepsi bottling facility in Germany preparing to manufacture a limited edition bottle design. The production planner needs to verify all components, from the bottle mold and label to the cap and shrink wrap, before finalizing procurement. By displaying the BOM in SAP, the planner sees not only the primary components but also identifies sub-assemblies such as the multi-part labeling kit that includes both adhesive film and printed labels. At the same time, an engineer at Pepsi's R&D center in the US might drill down into a sub-assemblies BOM to check if a packaging material has changed specifications. This helps ensure compatibility and compliance before the production line is updated. And in Mexico, a materials analyst uses the BOM to confirm whether certain items are produced in-house or require external sourcing, ensuring no delays in production scheduling. Across these different locations and roles, Pepsi teams rely on SAP BOMs to ensure every product is built correctly, every component is accounted for, and every stakeholder has visibility into what's needed and when. Now think about your own SAP environment. Are you familiar with how to check a product's components? Can you identify whether a component is a raw material or part of a sub-assembly? Could learning to read BOMs help you improve planning accuracy or reduce production delays? Let's get started by learning how to display and navigate the bill of materials in SAP. To begin this process, we'll navigate to the bill of materials display screen in SAP. This screen allows you to view the complete list of components that make up a product, a critical step in production planning and material management. Start at the SAP Easy Access screen. From here, follow this path: Logistics, Production Master Data, Bills of Material, Bill of Material, Material Display. This will take you directly to the screen where you can view the bill of materials for a specific material. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut transaction code CS03. Simply type it into the command field and press enter. This is a standard SAP transaction used for viewing an existing bill of materials. Once the display material BOM initial screen appears, you'll need to enter some key details. First, in the material field, enter the material number for the item you want to view. This is the unique identifier for the product whose components you wish to inspect. Next, in the plant field, enter the plant number, such as 1000, to specify the location where this material is manufactured or managed. Now move to the BOM usage field. Here, enter the value 1, which indicates the standard production bill of materials. Once all fields are filled, press enter to proceed. Let's pause for a moment to understand what the BOM usage field means. BOM usage tells SAP how the bill of materials will be used, for example, in production, engineering, or costing. The value 1 represents usage in production, which is the most common application. You'll now see the bill of materials screen for the material you selected. This screen displays a list of components used to manufacture the final product, for example, a pump. Each row in the list shows a material component that contributes to the finished product. In many cases, you'll also see a reference to a document such as an assembly drawing. This provides a visual reference to support production and ensure assembly accuracy. Each item on the list represents either a raw material, a purchased part, or a sub-assembly. Now take a closer look at the ASM assembly indicator column. This column helps identify which components are assemblies themselves, meaning they contain their own subcomponents. If the ASM indicator is visible for a component, that item has its own BOM. This is known as a multi-level BOM, which helps you visualize how sub-assemblies fit into the larger structure. To explore this further, double-click the ASM indicator next to any component with one. The system will now display the bill of materials for that subcomponent. This view allows you to examine the subcomponents of the assembly. By drilling down into assemblies, production planners and engineers can gain a deeper understanding of material dependencies. This supports accurate production scheduling, procurement planning, and inventory alignment. Multi-level BOMs are essential when managing complex products that require multiple manufacturing stages or sourced sub-assemblies. Once you've finished reviewing the BOM and its subcomponents, click the Exit button. You will be returned to the SAP Easy Access screen, ready for your next task. And that's it. You've successfully viewed the complete bill of materials for a material in SAP, including how to explore its multi-level structure. Understanding BOMs helps you ensure materials are available when needed, reduce errors in production, and support efficient manufacturing workflows. Well done! You've now completed this walkthrough on displaying the bill of materials in SAP. You've learned how to access the BOM display screen, enter the appropriate material and plant data, and analyze both simple and multi-level BOM structures using the ASM indicator. By reviewing BOMs, you gain a clearer understanding of the materials needed for production, their sourcing strategy, and any dependencies that may affect manufacturing timelines. Whether you're a planner, buyer, engineer, or warehouse operator, this knowledge plays a crucial role in ensuring production readiness and material availability. Let's return to our Pepsi example. At any given time, Pepsi might be coordinating the manufacture of promotional display racks in one country, a new flavor rollout in another, and bottle production across multiple sites, all using BOMs managed in SAP. Having the ability to review and understand these structures helps teams coordinate across time zones, ensure quality, and avoid costly production interruptions. So now reflect on your own workflows. Do you check the BOM before placing purchase orders or launching production runs? Are you confident navigating multi-level structures? Could a clearer understanding of component dependencies improve how you schedule or collaborate with other teams? With this skill in hand, you're better equipped to support precise planning and smooth production. Keep practicing and continue building your SAP expertise one component at a time.